Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Gab Official. Today I'm going to show you how to reset your service light on this new Vauxhall Grandland. First, what we're going to need to do is, as you can see this button on the instrument stalk, we're going to basically press that button and hold it, and then going to press the stop start button to switch the ignition on, and we're going to wait for the countdown to begin. I'm going to go ahead and do that now. So right now I'm going to press the button in, turn the ignition on. And as you can see the countdown. As you can see clearly right there. Once it goes to 0, we'll release the button, turn the ignition off, and then we'll start the vehicle up. And as you can see, our service light has now gone out. Thank you, and thank you for choosing Gab Official. Please like, share, and subscribe for further content on my channel. Stay blessed, keep on rolling. Boom.